If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Amazon with the ticker symbol AMZN. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So guys, looks like Amazon crashed from $2,000 all the way to $103. Just kidding, looks like they had a stock split on June 6th, and it was a 20 shares will now equal 1 share, I believe. So now that's why we're trading at the $100 price level. So let's analyze this price chart and see what's occurring. Well, it looks like there was this downtrend that was previously in play and is coming near an end, but that doesn't mean we're gonna bottom and reverse. We could always go into another downtrend. So the reason I'm saying it's coming to an end is because we had a breakout side of this channel, because we came up short on this side, which can lead to a temporary reversal. That's exactly what we got. We got that reversal, but this reversal also played out because we had a breakout side and a move to new high, which shows signs of weakness. Sellers saw a great opportunity to go short, and then we started seeing selling pressure to the downside. Now we are back at previous support right around this 102 level. You can see that we bounced the first time here on May 12th, the second time here on the 24th of May, and now today again we bounced from this $102 price level. So this is a triple bottom. However, we're having a triple bottom, which is a bullish pattern in a downtrend, so that most likely it's not gonna hold the same amount of force as if we had a triple bottom in an uptrend. So that's why I'm saying I'd highly doubt this is the bottom. If I'm thinking all stocks, or at least majority of stocks that I've analyzed so far, are going to continue lower, I don't think Amazon is going to be any different. So I think this is just going to be a temporary bounce. That's why we just see some buyers step in, but I think the sellers are going to be able to push through this level and then continue lower. There is a possibility to see a pullback. We did see a sharp sell-off in this market, a very quick sell-off, so we could see a pullback, some sort of relief, but again, I'm expecting more downside. We could come back to filling these gaps right that were created, and maybe touch the EMA back at the 116 117 level, but that's a maybe. If we do get up that high, I'm envisioning lower price targets, and I'll show you guys right now on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for Amazon. So it looks like we are bouncing from previous resistance. So it looks like bulls are trying to defend this level the best they can. You can see that it was resistance in the past, and now it has turned into support. But again, we have this large downward momentum trailing behind the price. So I think they can break it and enter probably the low 90s and even the $70 level, probably the $75 level. And the reason I say that is because you can see that we had a measured move down right here. However, this measured move was surpassed. You can see that the target was right at the 117, and we exceeded it to reach the 102. So that shows strength for the sellers. Now, if I drag this down, because normally when you have the second leg larger than the first leg, we usually get 3 legs down. So this target is right at the $75 level. So it does make sense. I don't think the market is going to be crashing and going back down to really low levels. But this definitely shows that there is more selling, but just not as much as we had so far, if that makes any sense. So I don't think selling is over, but it does probably look like we're slowing down. I think most stocks are probably near their bottom, and they're probably not going to continue that much lower. So Amazon's probably no different. I think the seller is going to be able to break this level and then come back down to these 2020 price levels, probably even exceed it to trap in a bunch of shorts, and then we probably see a reversal, maybe late summer, early, you could say early fall, so early Q3. So maybe that's what can happen, just my prediction. The reason I'm still bullish, just based on everything I'm seeing on the chart, is because the technicals are telling me that we can still go back up to retest these highs. You can see that we had this uptrend in play, and this is the first break of the uptrend. You can see that these price bars are not inside of it any longer. We bounced from this trend line working higher numerous times in the past, so eventually it's gonna break. You can see that we bounced. This was probably the first time, this was the second time, this was the third time. We bounced even here in 2020 when that crash occurred, led to a massive rally. We started finding resistance at the top side of the channel. We sold off, normally come back to the lower side again, but again, it's not going to happen every time. We're not going to bounce from this trend line every time. So we broke it. So I think sellers are thinking we have topped. I don't think so. I think there is definitely more selling pressure. Probably back down to the $75 level, and maybe then we'll probably see a bottom. So that's everything I have for Amazon. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.